It's a hot one today, guys. So here we are, ready for Cadwell evening session. It's nice and warm, it's a bit humid, but do you know what? The car is ready to go. Look how nice she looks. New screen, new bonnet. Just back to how she was. So she's had a brake upgrade, we've done a few other things, made things a bit more sleek, took some weight out. So I'll let you know how we get on at Cadwell when we get to Cadwell, which you'll be leaving in a few hours. day. The evening at Cadwell went fantastically well. The brakes are immense. I really rate this setup with the 660 brake fluid and the DS3000 pads on the Brembos. I mean, I was getting brave to the point where the back end was starting to kind of lift and squirm a little bit in some corners, but I managed to knock about 4 seconds on the average total of my lap times just by having the better brakes and being a bit more brave into the corners, and also finding out what line I really liked on Cadwell. So there was a Civic Type R there, and he had a lot more power. I spoke to him afterwards. He had a lot more power than I did, but obviously I've got a lot more torque than he does. I'm probably a bit heavier than he is right now, and I've got literally no aero, whereas he had a big, huge rear wing. He had a few canards and stuff like that as well. But we had some great fun. But yeah, what a day, what a night. Things to take from that: I need better lines. I think on Cadwell I need to be able to corner better. I was supposed to have a tutor at Cadwell on the evening session, but unfortunately they wouldn't let him in. Even though he was down as a passenger, they still wouldn't let him in. So I've got that to take up with Javelin. But other than that, yeah, I'm super happy with the car. So I've got a few things I want to do to the car. I've got another track day in 3 weeks time at Cadwell, so it's plenty of time. The exhaust manifolds need porting and kind of cleaning up because they're awful. And there's proven gains there, a bit more horsepower, only a few, but a bit more torque. A 1.8T intake temp sensor. If you encapsulate that where the intake is and it's got a cold feed, actually you gain more power from that, because on the VR6 the intake temp sensor is actually right next to the engine on the intake, and it gets warm, really warm, so it'll be able to calibrate the whatever it does for that. Just a few niggly little bits. My steering boss is coming loose for whatever random reason, so I've ordered a better one randomly. I need to fit window wipers. Just quality of life stuff really to help to make it easier. But there's loads of time. I've got 3 weeks. I've got a list, and you'll pretty much see the list as we go through it. I really enjoyed today. Cheers for sticking around, guys. We'll catch you on the next one.